Hi, welcome back to the Key Stage 2 Succeed in Math YouTube channel. This is part 2 of the Year 6 Maths SATs Paper 2 Reasoning 2018 paper. If you haven't already, please watch part 1 before this video. I have linked part 1 in the description box below, so please check that out now. Make sure you have a paper, a pencil, ruler and a rubber ready. When you have the equipment ready, let's pick up from where we left off.
Question 8. Ken buys 3 large boxes and 2 small boxes of chocolates. Each large box has 48 chocolates. Each small box has 24 chocolates. How many chocolates did Ken buy altogether? Ken buys 3 large boxes. We're just going to draw a box around that, and 2 small boxes. So our large one, he's bought 3 of these, so we are going to do 48 multiplied by 3. Going to do a column method like so. 3 times by 8 is 24. Write the 4 and carry the 2 down here. 3 times by 4 is 12. Plus this 2 is 14, and we can write that like so. Moving on to our small boxes, 24 times by 2. If you can work this out mentally, that's great. If not, you can do this like so. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4, gives us 48. Now we need to work out how many chocolates Ken bought altogether. So that means the total. We're going to add 144 plus 48. 4 plus 8 gives us 12. Write the 2, carry the 1. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus this 1 is 9. 1 plus nothing is 1. Our total is 192 chocolates. Question 9. The list below shows the years in which the Cricket World Cup was held since 1992. Adam says the Cricket World Cup has been held every 4 years since 1992. Adam is not correct. Explain how you know. We're going to work out the difference in years between each one of the years that the Cricket World Cup has been held. To go from 192 to 196, that's 4 years. To go from 1996 to 1999, we've added only 3 years. To go from 1999 to 2003, we've added 4 years. From 2003 to 2007, we've added 4 years. From 2007 to 2011, we've added 4 years. And from 2011 to 2015, we've added 4 years. But we can see that from 1996 to 1999, it was only 3 years difference. So we're going to say that Adam is incorrect because from 1996 to 1999, there is only a difference of 3 years, this means that the Cricket World Cup has not been held every 4 years since 1992. Adam is incorrect because from 1996 to 1999 there is only a difference of 3 years. This means that the Cricket World Cup has not been held every 4 years since 1992. And that would be our explanation. Question 10. Write the correct symbol in each box to make the statements correct. 11 times by 12 is 132. 15 multiplied by 10 is 150. We can see that 150 is bigger than 132. So the symbol that we are going to draw is this, because remember that wherever the mouth is open, it's going to eat the bigger number. Moving on, 90 divided by 30 gives us 3. 60 divided by 20 also gives us 3. 3 and 3 are equal to each other, so we put our equal symbol in the box. 120 divided by 4 is 30. 160 divided by 8 is 20. 30 is bigger than 20, so the symbol that we're going to draw is like this, because it's going to eat the bigger number. 30 times by 8 is 240. 100 times by 10, we're just going to add a 0 to it, which is 1,000. And this is the symbol that we're going to draw, because it's going to eat our bigger number. Question 11. Here is a drawing of a 3D shape. Complete the table. We've got to fill in the number of faces, the number of vertices and the number of edges. We're going to start by counting the number of faces. We've got our top face here, that's 1. We've got our bottom face, 2. So that's 2 for the top and bottom. Now we're going to count the sides. We've got 1 here, 1 here, 1 at the back, 3, and 1 to the side here, which is 4. And 4 side faces. 2 and 4 added together gives us 6. There are 6 faces in total. Moving on to our vertices. Vertices is the same as the corners. We've got 1 corner here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We've got 8 vertices. Now for the number of edges, I'm just going to get a different coloured pen. From this vertice to this vertice, we've got 1 edge. From this one to this one, we've got 2, this one to this one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now the ones going down the side like this, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So our number of edges, we've got 12. Question 12. Here is a shape on a grid. The shape is translated so that point A moves to 7, 8. When we are working with coordinates, we know that our first coordinate is the x and our second coordinate is the y. We need to draw the shape in its new position, and it's telling us to use a ruler, and make sure you're using a pencil as well for this. So our new point A is 7, 8, so we're going 7 along the corridor and up the stairs, along the corridor 7, up the corridor 8, and we've got our point here, and that's our new point A. From this point to point A, we can see that there's a difference of 2 squares. 1, 2. We're going to count 2 from A. 1, 2. This is our second point. Our third point down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our last point, which is up here, we're going to start at our bottom point here, which is this one. 1 to the left and 2 up. 1 to the left and 2 up. We've got our point here. Connecting them together using our ruler. Like so. Question 13. Circle the improper fraction that is equivalent to 6 and 7 over 8. We're going to start off by changing these 5 improper fractions into a mixed number, like so. How many times does 8 go into 67? Well, that goes 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64, which means that there's a remainder of 3. 8 and 3 over 8. Our next one, how many times does 8 go into 48? Well, that's 6. How many remainders? Well, there's no remainders, so our answer is just 6. How many times does 8 go into 62? Well, that's 7 times. 7 times by 8 is 56. 62 minus 56 gives us 6. So that is 7 and 6/8. Our next one, how many times does 8 go into 55? That goes 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. 55 minus 48 gives us 7. 6 and 7 over 8. And our last one, how many times does 8 go into 76? Well, that's 9 times. 9 times by 8 gives us 72. 76 minus 72 is 4. 9 and 4 over 8. Now we can see that 6 and 7 over 8 only happens once, which is this one. So we can circle this improper fraction like so.
Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Part 3 will be coming out shortly, so please don't miss that. Please subscribe and click the bell button below to be notified of new videos, and also please check out my Instagram account, which I've linked in the description box below. I post regularly and I notify you of new and upcoming videos. I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.